What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I told you guys that I was going to give you guys my try on for the Fashion Nova unboxing that I did the other day. So this is going to be a try on haul. So I'm going to show you guys how everything fits. There is one shirt that the one that I told you guys that got ruined. I'm going to put that one on to show you guys what it looks like because I don't want to ruin the new one. Whatever. So we're going to start with the first thing. So first thing is the taupe bodysuit. Now I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. This is the bodysuit. Now a lot of these clothes are going to be wrinkled because they're coming straight out of the package. This is the bodysuit. This is called, I think this one is called Anything But Square in taupe. I absolutely love this shirt. This bodysuit is super comfortable. It is like a thin material, but it covers up. I love the round look here. It's really, really, really comfy. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like with some jeans on. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So here is the bodysuit. Anything But Square bodysuit in taupe. I actually just threw on the shoes that I ordered. These are called Model Check. They have black soles with the clear straps. These jeans are also from Fashion Nova, but I didn't purchase them online. I actually bought them from the store when I went to LA. So, you guys, it fits so nice. Now, of course, I still got a little something here, you know, because it does roll up, but it's not going to roll out of my jeans, which is what I absolutely hate. But this is so comfy, you guys. I absolutely love this bodysuit. So there you guys have it. So the next one is going to be the turtleneck sweater. And I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. I'll be right back. All right, you guys. So this one is the sweater turtleneck. Now this one I showed you guys when I did the unboxing. I wasn't actually going to put this on to show you guys because I have makeup on and I'm scared that it's going to mess it up. But this is the one that has the long bottom. This is actually, it's the thong bodysuits. So it doesn't give you that line on your jeans or anything like that. But looks pretty nice. I like it. And it's comfortable. I am wearing a nude bra, so you can't really see too much. But it is still pretty nude. But it's comfortable, you guys. It's comfortable. So the next one I'm going to show you is the rose-colored bodysuit that I had bought a second one of because the first one got messed up. So I'll show you that just a minute. All right, you guys. So this is the rose-colored one that I told you guys that I was so upset because this is the one that I messed up because I'm not trying to mess up the brand new one that I just bought. But this is the one that I told you guys that I had like deodorant stains and stuff on it. Like, I don't know if you can really see it, but if you notice, there's like streaks here, here, here. And then there's like these little white spots. I was so upset, you guys. Look at this. Look, this is from the deodorant. I have not worn this shirt at all. That is like from the deodorant itself. This is not sweat stains. This is deodorant. So when I tell you guys certain fabrics, you really have to be careful. Like, I might not even wear deodorant when I wear this shirt because this is one of those fabrics that really gets messed up if you put anything on it. But it fits so nice. It's nice and soft. It's not sweater material. It is see-through a little bit. So you definitely have to make sure that you wear a nude bra. You guys, my hair is getting all messed up from putting things on and off. But yeah, so there you guys have it. So the bodysuit. So now I'm going to go ahead and try on the dresses for you. So I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I actually decided to try on the tights for you guys. Let me fix this really quick. So I told you guys I bought two pair of tights. I bought a size medium and a size small. and I'm glad I did, because initially I was gonna only buy the medium one. This is a size small. Okay, now I'll tell you the problem I have with this one already. It is a little bit see-through. I don't know if you guys can see. You can clearly see through my knee. So I'm not going to turn around. But this is the size small. But this waist part here is pretty loose. It doesn't hug my waist the way I want it to, which means the medium is going to be even looser up here. So I'm not even going to bother returning it. I'm going to keep it because sometimes my weight goes up and down. Not in my mid area, but if anything, I might just give it away to my sister or something like that. But for the most part, this is pretty comfy. I would wear these with like a long, nice sweater, a tunic, a cardigan, something that covers your behind because it is see-through. But they're super duper comfortable. They really are. Or just to kind of lounge around the house. So, yeah. So I'll go ahead now and show you guys the dresses. I'll be right back. All right, you guys. So this is the Cora Midi dress in black. Let me tell y'all something. This dress is super duper comfy. By the way, you guys, the angle that my camera's on and the angle that I am in, it's making me look a little long and slim. I'm just now noticing that. But anyway, this is not see-through. It has a lining inside of it, but it is not a thick dress. It is super duper comfortable. It is like a go-to black dress for anything. For anything. Like you can go out to dinner. You can go just walking around town, out with the girls. You can never, ever, ever go wrong with a cute black dress. So, there you guys have it. And I have another one in green. So, I will show you guys what that looks like. All right, you guys. My hair is falling apart. So, this is the same dress, but in a green color. Let me tell y'all, this camera is not doing this color any justice. This is like a nice emerald green, like a pine emerald green. It is absolutely gorgeous. I don't have anything in my closet like this. I absolutely love, love, love it. This is, again, another one that you could play up. I would dress this up with some gold jewelry. Or rose gold would look nice with some cute nude shoes or black shoes or rose gold shoes. You know, I really love this emerald green. It goes really nice with gold. So there you guys have it. The next midi dress. I love this. I absolutely love the way it feels. It's super, super soft too. It's not like sweater material. It's just really soft. So now I'm going to show you guys the loungewear. So I've got two outfits. One is in blush pink. The other one's in black. And I'll be right back. That rhymed. All right, you guys. So this is the first one. This is called Tennis Court 3. I think this one is the Tennis Court 3. This is a zip-up lounge outfit. Has a hoodie in the back. Don't know if it's really see-through or not. I don't think so. But I'll try not to turn around too much. Now, this is cute because it's fitted. It's not sweatpants material at all. It almost feels like the dresses that I tried on. So it's very fitted, very form-fitting. It will definitely hug your curves. And you can either wear these with some heels like I'm wearing right now, which is super cute. Or you can wear them with some Converse, with some sneakers, and play it down. I love little loungewears like this because, you know, I love outfits that you can play up and play down. And I would definitely rock this with some shoes like this or with some sneakers. So, yeah, I really like this. I like this, and it's so comfortable. I can wear my fuzzy socks and just lounge around the house like this. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Yes, darling. I am so like feeling this outfit right now. You guys have no idea. I love it. I love it. So now I'm going to show you guys the blush colored one. I'll be right back. All right, you guys. This is the blush colored one, and this one is Tennis Court 2. So this is the one, the other one wasn't a crop top. This one is, and it does not have a sweater. It is a little different on the bottom. The bottom of the black ones have like almost like a ankle collar. This one doesn't have that at all, but it's still really cute. Again, these will be really cute with some nude shoes or some sneakers. But I'll tell you guys this, it fits a little bit tighter, which means it is see-through because it is not sweatpants material, but it's definitely super cute. Look at my bun, y'all. My bun is falling apart, but I absolutely love these. I absolutely love these. I'm one of those people, if I like something, I'm gonna get it in every color. In every color, y'all. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yep. Yeah, I would probably rock these with sneakers. The black ones I can play up and down. I don't know about this one, but it's still very, very comfortable. So I love it, y'all. I love it. All right, last but not least, I will show you guys my it's like a lounge romper, but it's like PJs. So I'm not gonna wear heels with those because it's like loungy. But yeah, so love it. Be right back. All right, you guys, so this is the last outfit. I'm not going to turn all the way around because it is short, but this is super duper cute. This is called Sleepy Lover PJ Romper Onesie. I have a couple of these, and they are the most comfortable thing I have encountered on Fashion Nova. Like, I absolutely love it. They are short. I'm not going to turn around, but they kind of stop right below the bum area. But yeah, now these are PJs. These you throw on some fuzzy socks and you're good to go at home. Yeah, so these are super cute. Super duper cute. My hair is all jacked up. But there you guys have it. My try on haul for my Fashion Nova unboxing that I did the other day. I hope you guys really enjoy these. Next time that I order another bulk of Fashion Nova, and there will be another time, I will definitely share this with you guys. I will try to leave the names of the outfits down below. I don't know if they have links, but I will leave the names down below so you guys can go and purchase them, whether you guys or gals want them for yourself, or if you guys like these ideas for your girlfriends. I'll definitely let you guys know the names of the outfits in order as they are in the video, so you guys know what I'm talking about. But leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, hit like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I pop up on your feed. I'll see you guys later.